Hi and welcome. I just want to give a big thank you out there to all my viewers and supporters. I reached 100 subscribers last night. I'm extremely grateful for all the support I've received so far. If you are watching my videos and enjoying them and you aren't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and change the notification settings so you do not miss a future tech video of mine. Secondly, I know last week I promised that we'd be looking at another Sony technology video, however that will need a bit more time. So today we're going to take a break from Sony and look at a wireless precision touchpad by the guys who make alternative keyboards for iPad, Surface Pros and the Google Pixel Slate, which I did showcase in one of my previous videos. It's one of these keyboards here. So let's get into it. This is one of the latest products from Bridge. The W Touch wireless precision touchpad for Windows. What we got here: precision touchpad, aluminium body, Bluetooth connectivity, up to 1 month of battery life. It does have the Surface branding all over it. I won't be using it with a Surface, but you know, it's just a Windows touchpad. It should work with any device really that has Bluetooth. So let's crack it open. Ooh, just a slab. Okay. A USB-C to USB-C cable, and that is it for the box. User manual, standard stuff, and you know, branding sticker. Let's put that to the side. Do the honors here. There we go. Now there's not much of a backstory here. I've always wanted a touchpad to use while I'm on the couch or maybe in bed, because using a mouse on the couch or bed is a pain really, and a touchpad like this would be much nicer to use. I can't imagine using it at my desk. I know there are some users out there who do prefer to use a touchpad for some applications, and that's fair enough. We haven't had much choice when it comes to Windows machines in terms of touchpad. We've had Logitech have made one, I know, and there are plenty of third-party alternatives, but maybe they do not have the quality of what you would find with Apple's Magic Touchpad for Apple Macs. Let's take a look at the touchpad. So very sleek looking. There's nothing on the sides. All the functionalities on the top. USB Type-C for charging. I'm not sure what that is. It's not a button. Maybe it was intended to be used for something and they've not removed it from the design. And then we've got the power switch and pairing mode. So you push it to the middle to turn it on, and then press and hold to go into pairing mode, which I shall do now, but I will just plug it in to charge. You never know. Charging indicator. Put it into pairing mode again. There we go. Let's use my audio recording laptop. Let's use that. Let's zoom out a little bit. 1 second. One thing I'm going to start trying to do is less of this scripted videos and try and just free flow a little bit more, you know. Less of this robotic style and more just on the fly. So let's go to Bluetooth settings. Oh god, my screen is not. What we've got here: add Bluetooth, Bridge W Touch, ready to go. The battery life indicator has appeared. That's nice. However, nothing is registering just yet. Wonder why that is. Looks like they might have sent me a DUF unit. Well, that is a big shame, and means this week's video is going to wrap up pretty quickly. What? Let's try on a different device, just in case. Maybe I'm going mental. Let's put that back over here. Right. connected, connecting, okay, but no input. Oh, Bridge, you sent me a duff. Well, this is a fail of a tech video for this week. Am I really missing something here? What is going on? Turn it off. Bluetooth off. Turn it on. Turn this unit on. Connected. But no, nothing's been registered. Damn, what to do now? Why not just show touchpad size comparison here, perhaps along with the phone as well. My large Galaxy Note 10 Plus, to give you an idea of the touchpad size. I guess I'll have to catch you next week for hopefully a much improved tech upload. No, actually, scratch that. It is working on my computer. Connected it in the same fashion. Battery life is showing, but it is actually being registered here. I'm not too sure what is going on. Is it particular about Bluetooth versions? I don't know, so I'll have to dig into that and certainly update you guys with what the situation, what the hell is going on. Just checking the gestures. Gestures work. 3 fingers, yeah. 4 fingers, yeah. Okay, so let's quickly just talk about the feel of it. So tracking is very accurate. I haven't got a problem with that. There is, however, latency compared to using my mouse. It's okay. So yeah, it's not going to be as snappy as a USB mouse. Granted, we should give it the benefit of the doubt for that. But you know, it's not too bad. Admittedly, my computer is behind that monitor, so there must be a bit of a delay. Let me just try it from further back. Yeah, a few delays, but certainly workable and better than using a 2.4 gigahertz mouse from the bed. So I'll give them that for sure, and that's the main purpose for this, really. Just easy browsing from the couch and the bed. What else I wanted to do is just give feedback on the clunk that you get when you click, so let's have a listen. It's a nice clunk, it's not, yeah, it's a good quality clunk on that, and the tapping, 2-finger tapping to right click works well, and yeah, overall this is very usable. Now I need to find out more as to why it didn't work on the other devices, and so I'll get back to you on that, but I can report, connected to my PC, it's got no problem whatsoever, and I find that a little strange. I'll do a comparison on Bluetooth versions and get back to Bridge on my findings. Of course, it can't just be for Microsoft devices, Surface devices, like it's written on the box. This is my PC, it's not a Surface device, and it's working fine. Thanks for watching my video, albeit quite all over the place. For Bridge to sell this £100 touchpad, I would expect it to work as a mouse for any Bluetooth enabled gadget, to be honest. Much like you'd expect any USB mouse to plug and play. For those wondering, I did try with my laptop, tablet and mobile phone, but alas, nothing unfortunately. So I will speak with Bridge and update either with a video or a comment below depending on the outcome. Again, thank you all for the support. 100 subscribers, this is just the beginning. Stay safe, be good. I am the Techno G, signing out. Take care.